Good morning at the beautiful Shabin.
Good morning.
Good morning. I've been cleaning the Shabin all morning and getting the porch cleaned up and the outhouse cleaned up, and Jason's doing dishes.
How's my hair?
It looks really nice. You took a shower today. You cut a couple more trees down on our path.
Couple more.
Probably.
Where were you at?
I was cleaning. So, yeah. Anyway, it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous morning. And we're just kind of getting going for the day. Gonna start painting trim again. Look at our little functional dishwashing station over there. Love the porch. Shabin's all clean and fresh and tidy. Wash the floors.
All the dishes are clean and neat and tidy. The pants are falling off because I'm on that alpha thing diet.
He's on my alpha gal diet. So now he's dropping pounds too.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime. The only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror.
How is that?
Looks good. Looks good.
Stuck in place, just waiting for a green light. But I can't lie awake.
Yeah, so I wasn't really sure if I was going to paint the trim around the windows out here, and I decided late last night that yes, I am going to. So I started a little bit there. Hoping to get all my trim painted and the whole Shabin stained with oil and diesel so that the sunroom can match the Shabin. Some more painting there on the corners and around the window trim. We need to finish under the soffit sometime, hopefully before winter. On the bathhouse. Again, I'm like halfway done painting this also. And it has never been sealed either, so I want to get that done today. Nice, clean bathhouse.
Someone else to say I can live my
Let the fun begin. All right, so I've got diesel, and I've got used John Deere tractor oil, and a pump sprayer, and a paintbrush.
And a real nice booty.
And I'm just gonna mix them together. Starting with oil. I'll do this a little different.
Honey, wait, honey. I have a funnel, so you don't.
You
I have
think
a
I need
funnel.
one?
I have a funnel. I have a funnel.
Don't need one. Don't need one. Don't need one.
That's a half a gallon.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay. Keep going then.
That's a gallon.
Okay. How many gallon thing is this?
2.
I suppose. Yeah, I could. That's a gallon. A little over a gallon. Okay. It's a 2-gallon thing. I want to mix it heavy on the oil.
Yep, 2 and a. That's 1.5 gallons.
Okay, I like it.
Hi, doggy. I love you. I love you.
So I just put 1.5 gallons in the pumper sprayer of oil.
What is on him? Oh.
Mulch. Ooh.
Oh.
Why did I do that? Because I'm just gonna dump it out that way too. And diesel.
You didn't even get off-road diesel?
No.
Oh,
Well, because I figured if I had
that's
some,
2 gallons.
figured if I had some left, I'll put it in our truck. What kind of spray we got? You better watch it. Squirt me with this.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
What are you? You don't like a mist?
I want a mist. I don't.
You went from a mist to a stream, right?
Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get a mist.
You turn it the other way, I think. Oh.
That way.
There you go.
All the way in. That's still not a mist. It's just coming out as a.
Don't know what you've done.
Ah, what did I do?
It was a mist the first time you pulled it.
I know. And I was trying to make it mistier and it failed.
I can smell it. Oh boy. I think tighten it all the way down. That's going to constrict it the most.
Okay.
And that would mist it.
Well, you would think. Maybe I have it in not mixed thin enough or something. Beautiful color though. Shake it.
Hit that in slow-mo.
So basically, I'm gonna stain and seal our Shabin for $20 because diesel's expensive. About 4 gallons of diesel. The motor oil was free.
The only comfort I've found is blending in.
I have that other sprayer out there. Should I see what kind of ends on it? Oh.
I don't know where it's just.
Well, yeah. You could.
Huh? It misted for a second.
Need it to mist. I suppose our sprayer, I mean, the oil in there probably has it clogged, I would bet. Do this. What would it do?
It's like
I go see if we have another.
it's like a stream of pee-pee.
It looks like a stream of pee-pee. I got another nozzle.
Nipplet.
A nipplet. Yep. I'm not saying it's gonna fix her problem.
You just want to lose that one then?
Yes.
See that?
I think that's the best we're gonna get. Maybe if I just let it run down and then brush it.
I think it was better on the other.
This is
Hard to watch.
hard to do.
The other tip was better, I think.
When I did this last year, it sprayed a mist out. Maybe I need some more diesel in there.
I mean, that's the whole point of the diesel, but no! Let's go heavy on the oil and fill the thing up and not have more room for any other thinner, because you
I
don't.
think we have room for more in there, don't we, or not?
No. You're going to loosen that? You
Oh,
are.
no, I'm not.
Boys, what are you doing? Are you out on the road? You just get run over?
Okay, there's just no clean way of doing it. What in the hell? Okay, I'm gonna add more diesel because I think it's too thick to go through my sprayer. I think.
Another crowd when things go wrong, well past the blame around. 'Cause I can't lie awake for someone else to say.
Alright, I'm gonna try a different method here.
Any better?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. At least around all the windows. Okay, so plan B is paint your diesel oil mix on.
If you want it real thick and you want it real dark, you're going to have to brush it.
It's weird because it worked the last time I did it, but I think I had a much more diluted down oil mixture. So because I want it dark, which obviously this is pretty darn dark, it won't come out of the pump sprayer. It's pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. Quite fragrant as well.
It is very fragrant. It smells amazing.
Well,
It's all about perspective, Jay.
yep. It's also very, sticky.
It is.
You want me to get your shower water ready?
Ha! No kidding.
Nice thing is, there's really not that much to do.
No, there's
Except
not.
for when you get around this corner and you see how much lighter the Shabin is. But by then, that tank might be empty enough you can add all diesel and have better luck spraying.
Darken it. So it's good for spraying it out into the pan, but it just doesn't give me a good mist.
I can live my life, but I keep asking.
I just keep thinking if I spray, eventually it might just come out like it's supposed to.
And if you thin it. Imagine the difference between an oil going through an injector and gas going through an injector.
Sure, that would make sense.
You just got a fine mist there and it's shooting thick oil.
But I like how dark it is.
For permission, no, I keep asking for permission. No, I keep asking for permission. Why do I keep asking for permission? Oh, when I can't lie awake for someone else to say.
bathhouse. See if we can make it pretty. All right, we got her.
Right, we got
Sealed. Good enough for today and for this trip, I suppose. I don't know, unless you get a wild hair and want to keep going. We're going fishing. But anyways, it looks a lot better. Stained and sealed. The bathhouse looks incredible. Honestly, I wish the whole Shabin and sun porch were this dark, but we let that wood sit and dry out longer and hadn't sealed it up until right now. So it took the oil a lot better. Just turned out a lot darker. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's a messy job, but all right, at least we're protected through the winter, and sometime I will put a second coat on the Shabin. I don't think I'll have to put a second coat on the bathhouse. That looks amazing.